summer anymore.
So we showed up to Calico Ghost Town, and we're the first ones here. I think this is like the widest thing I've ever done in my life. See Calico up on the mountain. See Calico up on the mountain. You say undermined?
I think this is modeled after Minecraft.
Yeah, this is Minecraft of real life, guys. Look, that's real iron right there.
Over cigarettes and coffee, and to tell you that
We're getting water on the lens here.
Water on the man. Why are the bees here? This should be the water.
Yeah, watch out. Nothing. Just nothing.
How cool how the trees come up past the rocks.
What's up? Alright. Oh god, it's hot. Jesus Christ. This is a lot different than Selena's. Just saw myself in the mirror. I was just asleep like 10 minutes ago, so.
Yes.
Anyway. Where is this? We're in Williams. We're in Williams.
No, that's not true.
See ya. Hey, what's up? We are in downtown Williams, Arizona. We drove through Death Valley today and it was 120 degrees. And we just talked to a guy and asked him like if he hears about people dying in Death Valley, and he bluntly said yes. So I think we're gonna reroute that trip. Anyway.